For IELTS, you need to not score below 7 band. Should not be below 6.5, but it should be 7. For TOEFL, it's 100 out of 120. And for OET, you need to score 1400.
Yeah. And we're getting a lot of questions about not giving IELTS. I don't know why people are so scared. So people are asking, how can I increase my chances of approval without IELTS?
So there's National Health portal, NHS portal for UK and Scotland. So a lot of job vacancies have been listed over there. So you can just go apply for the job.
Hello and welcome to Academically's yet another podcast. My name is Jaspreet and this podcast is for physiotherapists. Stay till the end so that you can have all your queries answered. With me is Dr. Sonal, who's the program manager for HCPC Registration for Physiotherapists. Thank you so much, Dr. Sonal, for joining in.
Hi Jaspreet, I hope you're doing well.
I hope so that you are doing great as well. And because you know, you have in-depth knowledge about the HCPC registration for physiotherapists, and I've got a bunch of queries that have been put by physiotherapists out here. So let's start.
Yeah.
All right. So can physiotherapists register with the HCPC without IELTS?
Without IELTS, it would be really difficult, Jaspreet, to register, because HCPC is for UK and UK is an English-speaking country, as you all know. So without IELTS, it's not possible. You need to take any English proficiency test if you want to get registered with the HCPC. It could be the other proficiency tests, as we'll mention further, but without IELTS, or rather without any English proficiency, it would be difficult. Without IELTS, yes, but without any English proficiency,
So as you said, we'll mention further what alternative proofs of English proficiency can be submitted.
We can submit the TOEFL score. Also, OET works for HCPC registration. So as in all, you have 3, IELTS, OET and TOEFL. For IELTS, you need to not score below 7 band. It should not be below 6.5, but it should be 7. For TOEFL, it's 100 out of 120. And for OET, you need to score 1400.
All right, I'm sure the scores are clear. Can a physiotherapy degree taught in English be accepted instead of IELTS?
Instead of IELTS, no. Because suppose if you come into the list of qualifying countries and if your countries come under the predominantly English-speaking country, then definitely it is acceptable. So on the HCPC website, you can see the list of qualifying countries. If we talk about South Asian countries, obviously we do not come into the predominantly English-speaking countries. So we need to take the English.
And the number is quite high, I guess. There are approximately 44 countries that come into the list or something. All right. So what are the eligibility criteria for HCPC registration for physiotherapists?
Eligibility criteria is very simple. If you are a BPT graduate or you are a BPT MPT graduate with a little bit of experience of 1 or 2 years, then you can definitely get registered for the The best part is you do not have to sit for the examination. So that is something which is really catchy and academically helps you out for the HCPC registration procedure. Along with that, if you are not very sure with the English proficiency exam, you're struggling to that, HCPC prepares you for IELTS, for OET and for TOEFL as well.
Awesome. So we're basically clearing the path for that.
Yeah, so academically helps you in the preparation for the English courses as well.
Great. How long does the HCPC registration process take usually?
Usually, if your documents are very clear and everything is good, then within 1 month, it's all good to go. Okay, some people have got it within 20 days also, and on average, if you say 2 to 4 months would be a proper time.
All right. And what would be the fees for that?
The fees for the scrutiny. So there are 2 things. First, you need to submit your documents and you need to get it scrutinized. So for scrutiny, the fees is 639 British currency. And for the registration, so you get a 2-year registration. So if you talk about the 2-year registration, it's 232.
Oh, yeah. And we're getting a lot of questions about not giving IELTS. I don't know why people are so scared. So people are asking, how can I increase my chances of approval without IELTS?
Without IELTS, OET is very simple. OET, occupational English test, as you mentioned, that is very simple to crack. If you're not able to do IELTS, if you're not able to go ahead with TOEFL also, academically prepares you for all these 3, but OET is considered to be a bit easier than these 3, so you can opt for OET.
Absolutely. And if somebody's application is not accepted at once, then what should they do?
Yeah, definitely you get reverts because, some documentation is not clear or something. So you need to keep a check on the email which has been given to HCPC as a registered email. Also on the HCPC portal, you'll be able to see your status, your progress status. So then you can follow up to that. So if something has been rejected or something, then you can just send an email to HCPC that what was the missing part It'll be telling you what should be done, and then you can submit it again. Yeah.
Awesome. It's quite sorted. And once everything is done, once a person has got registered as a physiotherapist out there, how do they find a job?
Okay, so if you're a registered HCPC physiotherapist, then you have two options for UK and Scotland. So there's National Health Portal, NHS portal for UK and Scotland. So a lot of job vacancies have been listed over there. So you can just go apply for the job and take the interview from your home country itself, okay, in an online mode. And if you get a job, then your sponsor, who is your employer, he or she will give you the certificate of sponsorship, through which you can apply for your visa very easily and migrate to the country.
Awesome. With that, we are done with the queries that we have received so far regarding HCPC registration for physiotherapists. Thank you so much, Sonal, for joining me. Great. And you keep the queries coming. We're going to come up with so many more episodes to answer them. And make sure to like this video, share this with fellow physiotherapists, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.
And guys, join Academically for your physiotherapist registration, and if you want to prepare for the English courses with us as well.
Absolutely, our one-on-one counseling sessions are free.